Hey guys, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today we're looking at a couple linear drive controls, specifically the 2150 digital control and the 2160 analog control. So right here we have the 2160, and you can see that this actually has a transformer built right in on the board, taking up half the space. You have an old ice cube relay here. And all your adjustments are done through these potentiometers here. And then over on this side, just to show you a comparison, is the more common linear drive control, which is the 2150. You can see there's no power supply on this, and there is a digital display. And size-wise, you can see it's quite a bit larger than the actual 2160 unit. So this is the older product, and they still are around. We still sell them to this day, but this is what you're more likely going to find in the unit in linear drives these days. So. All right, thanks for watching, guys.